Hey folks, Jared down here with Redwater Dodge, and today we're going to be taking a little bit closer look at this beautiful bright white 2018 Ford Transit Connect van. So it's a nice little perfect work van for you guys to be able to buzz around with. So you can see it's got lots of tread left here on the tires for you guys. We'll take a look from the passenger side here so you guys can just kind of see this angle of how much room your passenger would have for co-worker or whoever's driving around with you, right? This one, you can see your storage here from the back side here on the side.
Especially for your dogs.
Absolutely. It'll work perfect for that. You can come back here. Adrian, you want to tell us about the lift gate here?
I didn't even notice the nice glass window.
Absolutely gorgeous. So what's great about that?
It's flat.
Perfect.
You can sleep on it.
You can strap stuff down. You got tow hooks there.
Oh shit, he's right.
We'll come around the side here. You can see the storage from this side, so you will have doors on either side for you guys to access that side in the back. And we'll take a look at your driver's door here. So as you can see, guys, you'll have your power windows, power locks, all those good features for you. If it interests you guys, give us a call down here at Redwater Dodge, 780-942-3629.